I have to weld a little bit, then turn off the torch and go up and make sure I don't heat the metal up too much, because the floor is glued to the sill part in a certain place, and I'm welding quite close to it. And I just want to see how hot it gets before I go too far. It takes quite a bit. Thick metal. I'll be back in a minute. Well, don't see any heat up here at all. I'm going to weld a couple more spots. See what happens. It's up. Hopefully the camera's still on it. Okay. We'll go up here for a second, see how hot things are. Well, I was just welding in there, and it's hot. I actually need the air hooked up to blow down in there, so I'll go get that. Yeah, I guess that'll be what I'll be using in that spot. So I got this patch welded in, and that's my undercoating hole. And the floor is quite a bit solid here, just that in here they have glue, and I don't want to break that glue bond because that's still holding. So that side, the floor was all gone, so I had to replace that whole corner. The glue didn't matter. There, I got a little bit of air now. So this is the patch that's going on the bottom. to the front, and where is it? Yeah, it goes on and on and on to the back of the car. And up here, I put this corner in. That's all welded in, and the fender matches the door pretty good. So anyway, I'll continue, but I'll have to use that blowgun. See you later.